Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to day 7 of our SketchUp course. Today we will learn about the Follow Me tool, one of the most useful tools for curved modeling. With this, you can make pipes, wall borders, ceiling trims, and many other round objects. Before we start, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want the day 7 PDF notes, just comment below. Send me day 7 notes. What is the Follow Me tool? Follow Me tool helps us to pull a shape along a path. Example, if you draw a circle and a line, it can create a pipe. It is used a lot in furniture, ceiling, and architecture designs. Let me show you how to use it. Step first, draw a path, line or curve. We draw this path. Step 2, draw a face or profile like a circle or rectangle at one end. We draw a circle. Step 3, select the path. And step 4, choose the Follow Me tool from the toolbar. Step 5, click on the face. Now SketchUp will push the face along the path and create a 3D shape. You can use Follow Me tool to make pipes and tubes, ceiling cornices, wall trim or skirting handles or furniture edges. One more example. Number 1 is draw path line. And number 2 are draw face. Number 3, select a path. And number 4, choose the Follow Me tool. Number 5, click on the face. We draw pipe. This tool save time and give clean curve result. Let's quick revise. Draw the path, draw the shape, select path, use Follow Me tool and click the face. Done. You now have a smart 3D shape. I have made a PDF notes file for this lesson. If you want it, comment, send me day 7 notes. In day 8, we will learn how to import models from the 3D warehouse, which will save a lot of time for your projects. So like, share and subscribe. See you in day 8, inshallah.